What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J9 two times. You gotta say it 2 times. I'm trying to hurry up because they only want you to be recording while you get on the cruise. But walking up to the cruise, of course, Cuddy left me. I had to do this all by myself. I was confused. Went to the wrong terminal at first. Oh, they're about to tell me to stop recording. Hold on. Yeah, I went to the wrong terminal. Man, this line is still long. I'll be back. Hold on.
This is me first meal. I was starving. That line took so long. I don't know how you got through quick. I was in that thing forever. Then I went to the wrong terminal. Went to Terminal 1 at first.
Getting real lazy with it. Real lazy with it. I'm underground. Just chilling. Chilling, vibing. I'm just really just vibing. Oh man. Oh, that sun hit different. That sun hit very, very different. Beaming on my forehead. Oh, where am I about to go? What? I go in there? I don't know where they're trying to take me. Something happened to me. It was nice knowing y'all. This is my first time trying lox, I guess it's called. Smoked salmon, whatever it's called. I hope I like it. Let's see. That's actually good. It's like an 8. That's good.
Estimated between 60 to 80 years, but we're still learning a lot about how long they can live in doing there. There is a green sea turtle in the New England aquarium. Her name is Myrtle.
You're okay.
In her 90s, so we're hoping if you would share scenario, they'll live a lot longer.
Let's pray for me. You get to touch them. They said it'd only be 2 fingers. What's that one? Is that a crab? I don't know what that is. Very hard. Wow. So I went to see, they didn't let me bring a GoPro. Let you bring your GoPro under. And I couldn't bring my phone, so I couldn't record under there. But I was under here. Ears popped, 50 was 15 feet down. I conquered it. I did the zip line and the last cruise. I did underwater. I conquered my 2 fears. I conquered it. enjoy the cruise. I got my seafarers out the way. I'll actually do that again. My ears actually still hurt because they pop when you go so far under. Oh, they still hurt. But I'll do that again. That was very fun. Enjoyed myself. I don't know how you do this. Shark fat. All right. Drop my phone in there. There won't be no getting that back. That is the price for a two-piece. $13. You know I'm out of here. I don't get copyrighted. But just did the jet ski and boy was that fun. I was going so slow. I got videos on my GoPro and my trainer sent me videos. But, hold on, I'm about to get something to eat.